So as I was making these pieces, I wanted to use something called overglaze, and it needs a lot of ventilation basically when you're using it. It's essentially 22 karat gold suspended in a very toxic solvent. I've never smelled anything like it before, and I've worked with quite a lot of weird substances. I needed to find a solution because my studio isn't very well ventilated. And so I went online, and I think it was something that I needed to do with my work for a while, but it kind of gave me the push because I was like, I want to work with this material. There must be a way of doing it. And I started to look at dust extraction units online, and that's when I came across dust arrest. And it seemed that the workbench was kind of a workbench extractor. The fume extractor was possibly the solution, even though I wasn't welding. And that's when I kind of started to get in touch with dust arrest and sort of find out if it could work for me. It's a very kind of compact machine that I can have in quite a small space in my studio because there isn't much space in there. It's sort of almost like, it's maybe a bit bigger than a computer tower. And then it has a pipe that comes out of it that moves really nicely and kind of holds its position, and it has a hood on it as well, because I kind of knew I needed some kind of hood on the thing to sort of give me a bit more space to work in. You need to have the extractor quite close to the work, but it kind of gives you that security that it's there and it's sucking out the fumes. I still work with a mask, but even when I'm working with this very toxic stuff, I don't really smell it, and it kind of makes me feel a bit more at ease doing this very detailed work with it. Anyone that is sort of a little bit worried about some of these materials they're working with in a small space, in a small studio, I think it would benefit. So I would definitely recommend it.